Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is ACG off campus is hiring freshers. So we shall quickly see the job details. So the job role or the job title, it is graduate engineer trainee, and the experience needed is it is for freshers, and the salary or the city set is 3.2 to 4 lakhs per annum, and the job location or the work location, it is Mumbai. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria for the job role. So the education or the qualification needed, it is for BE or BTech or BSc graduates are eligible to apply, and the streams eligible, it is either computer science, so for BSc, and also for B instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, so or other any circuit branches are also eligible to apply. And the percentage criteria, it should be 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout in 10th, 12th as well as in graduation, and there should be no active backlogs. And the batch eligible, it is either 2020 or 2021 or any other passed out graduates are also eligible to apply, that is 2022, so they are also eligible to apply. So the next thing is the technical skills that are needed for the job role. So you need to develop and maintain the product and projects using C hash or .NET. So within that you need to have good knowledge of WPF, which means Windows Presentation Foundation. So it's an open source graphical subsystem. And the second thing is the Windows Communication Foundation, in which it's an open source runtime. Mainly it is used for setting the APIs for the .NET frameworks and for building the various connected and service oriented applications. So and also you need to have good knowledge of SQL, that is databases. So the next thing is the primary responsibilities are, the first thing is strategic as well as planning. So you need to manage and maintain the software modules, and within the functional code you need to develop the core solutions for the product and its enrichment, and also patch management as well as testing is also included, and also you need to manage the test as well as UAT, that is user expectance testing, and also the production environment. So this is the overall job responsibility. So the next thing is the key areas are, the first thing is development or it can be testing, and also solution development and databases, and the third one is the customer support. So then coming to the soft skills that are needed for the job role, so you need to have innovation in working processes and also problem solving attitude, as well as cross functional team working, as well as persona innovator, or it can be integrator or builder. And apart from that you need to have excellent communication skills. So then coming to the selection process, there are four different rounds. So the first round is the online test, and based on the shortlist, so based on the candidates, there will be group discussion or there can be directly technical interview, and the last round will be the HR interview. So these are the four rounds included in the selection process. So then coming to the registration step, so it's a lengthy process, so you can take your time and fill all the details correctly. So the first thing is My Documents, in which you need to upload your updated resume, and also you can upload cover letter or any of the additional documents. And the second thing is Profile Information, in which you need to enter your personal details, your name, email ID, your phone number, everything. And after that, work experience, so if you are willing to add the work experience you can add that, or you can add internship details, so it is good that you will be shortlisted for further rounds. And after that, your formal education, you can enter your 10th, 12th as well as graduation details, your percentage, everything. And apart from that, if you have done any of the certification courses related to .NET, so you can add that, it will be a great advantage. And you need to add the long language skills. So if you have knowledge of other programming languages also, you can mention that. So do mention .NET and testing skills. And there will be some related to job specific information, in which you need to agree some of the terms. So after that, you can view your complete profile and you can submit the application form. So the link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for the job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.